Hi, I'm Mich with the Paradise Luxury Group at Keller Williams. Welcome to Paradise. We're at Veranda today in Fort Myers. Now, I had originally planned to feature this beautiful home that we put on the market about 3 weeks ago. However, we already have it under contract. So instead, I'm going to take a left turn and explain to you just how we got here so quickly. Now, besides being a seller's market, there's really three things that got us here. Number one, I have to give credit to the sellers. They may have tried selling the home themselves, at the beginning, and to try to save a little money by putting a sign in the yard and putting it online and hoping that someone brings them a contract. Now, today, instead, they decided to hire a top agent, and I'm here to bust the myth that hiring a top agent is too expensive. Now, number two is we listed the home property. We priced it right. We took the time to understand and consider all the features of the home, market them properly, and that's how we got multiple offers in the first few weeks. Number three is marketing. Now, to be honest with you, we did not even get a chance to fully leverage all of our marketing resources when we got this house under contract. That being said, we have a full-time team whose job is to maximize the exposure of your property. That doesn't just mean putting it online and hoping that someone wants to buy your home. That means seeking out people who may not be looking at this exact location and presenting them the home, and that might be a good fit for them. So as you can see, I want you to know that all of our sellers are our top priority when we want to sell their home. So don't waste your time trying to sell the home yourself or trying to use the wrong realtor, and use your time wisely. Call me today and get back to living this Florida lifestyle.